It's June 11, 2025, deep in the remote mountains of Zanskar, on a mission to reach a 700-year-old monastery perched inside a cave unknown to the world until just a few years ago. The path isn't easy, the terrain is rugged, the air thin, and the routes unpredictable. Get ready for this thrilling adventure. We left for Pune in the morning, which is the base village, to head to Fuktal Monastery trek. From Pune, there are no metal roads, and landscape will start looking like as if you have stepped on Mars. That's the newer route, this is the older route, this is the difficult one, and we came from here. We have to go somewhere down there beyond that huge rock. It is going to be very difficult if you trek in the afternoon, especially if the sun is overhead. We saw this waterfall out of nowhere in the middle, all brown rocks, and there's a waterfall flowing. I mean, you cannot decipher that you are in Ladakh or Arizona or Mars. Come to this side of the mountains, man. Crazy. This is barren, beautiful, we can say. I mean, the roads, everything is like just shades of browns, grays. This was the bridge from where the locals and monks used to come before, and this is the new bridge for the new route, and this is the old route from where we came. We just crossed the gate. Let's see how it looks. Hi, crazy. Like you have time traveled to a whole different era. I mean, there are small tunnels, caves, and series of steps to go in. I mean, the cave is 2500 years old, and monks used to come here and meditate, and eventually they built a monastery here, someone around 700 years ago. And you can see the architecture of this monastery, the way it's built in the cave. Right now we are here in the kitchen of the monastery, and they have offered butter tea and some biscuits to us. So according to their calendar, today is Buddha Purnima here, and there are huge celebrations going on. We weren't able to see the celebrations because we came late, and some celebrations are later. दोस्तों के साथ ट्रिप पे और कोई कांड ना हो, ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता. Road is closed here. So the people who are working there, they kind of rescued us by making a road so that we can come down. हमारी गाड़ी आ गई है. I would just say this was one of the craziest adventures I've done, and that too in this kind of terrain, to find a monastery, which is also very mesmerizing. So ending it here. Fortuner का टायर बदलने की ट्रेनिंग चल रही है. कपल गोल्स. देखो मजदूर.
आज की दिहाड़ी हो गई है हमारी, बट हमारा मालिक हमें लेने के लिए नहीं आया अभी तक.
पानी की 2 बूंद भी नहीं बची है.
वो देखो आ गया
हमारा ट्रक आ गया. देखो वो आ गया. देखो